If you're retired, I know you've been struggling with high inflation over the past few years, and if your fixed income just isn't enough, you're probably considering your options. Now, a lot of people I'm talking to these days are considering whether it's the right thing to downsize and sell the home that they're in, or do a reverse mortgage. My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. We're going to examine these two options and hopefully give you some more light and understanding on what you could do to live better in retirement. Now let's talk about downsizing. Now I have a lot of clients who relocate from southern Utah, from California to southern Utah where I'm located. We're licensed in multiple states, and so we actually see this happen quite often, where people are going from one state to another for better climate or lower prices or family or whatever. And downsizing usually is a really great option for a couple of reasons. One of the nice things about downsizing is that we typically, when we hit retirement, we're in a home that we raised our kids in. We're in a home in a neighborhood where all of our friends or our family have long since moved away. And so maybe it's not the right place for us anymore. Maybe there's stairs in the home. You don't need stairs. You don't need those extra bedrooms upstairs. You want to have a single level home. And so these are some of the reasons that lead people to decide, whether or not downsizing is the right thing for them. And the benefit of this is that often when you downsize, not only you're downsizing your home and the maintenance of that bigger home, but you're also downsizing the price of that bigger home. And so you can trade off that older home, that bigger home, for a nicer, newer home and still have money left over after you've made that transition. However, a lot of my clients love the house they're in. They love their neighbors. They've been there for generations and they don't want to move. In this situation, this is where a reverse mortgage may be the solution to help you keep the home, but also survive financially. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, the idea with the reverse mortgage is that you're able to pay off your existing mortgage, or you're able to draw out equity from your home to live better in retirement. And the benefit of a reverse mortgage is that as long as you live in the home, as long as you pay the property expenses like taxes and insurance, you are protected by FHA's mortgage insurance. You can stay in this home until age 150 or until you sell it or pass away, right? But the beauty of a reverse mortgage is that monthly mortgage payments are optional. You can go ahead and make a payment just like you're doing now, or for the rest of your life, you can say, I'm done. I'm done making mortgage payments. What will happen is that the interest that you're charged on your mortgage will be added to the balance of the loan. And when you pass away, your kids will inherit the home. They'll sell the home. They get to keep all of the equity that's left over. And so you get a little better and they still get a sizable retirement, or a sizable inheritance when you no longer need the home. And so again, both of these options are great. There's also a hybrid version where you could sell your current home and buy a new home with a reverse mortgage and have the best of both worlds. And so if you're looking at ways to try to live better in retirement, if you're looking for ways that will help you to have more money when you're stuck on a fixed income, and you don't want to go back to work, then a reverse mortgage might be a solution you want to consider. So reach out to us, my team. You can find us at 435-359-9000. Email me directly at trevor@heritagehl.com, or visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. We've got lots of articles, blogs, videos, and information to help you really explore this option. But as always, give me a call. I'd love to answer your questions and see what we can do for you. So thanks again for your time, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon.